Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Media. My name is Putri Hamida. We are from Group C. Today we will present about home appliance safety box. My group member is Muhammad Farhan Hakimi bin Roslan, Muhammad Irham Rushaidi bin Rosli, Putri Hamida bin Arif Isni, and Nurul Izzah bin Razati. Next. The content of this mini project is introduction, objective, functionality demonstration, error, and recommendation for future. The introduction in this mini project is washing machines, fabric dryers, refrigerators, electric and gas cooking appliances, dishwashers, sewing machines, television, and home gadgets have all benefits from the introduction of intelligent household appliances based on embedded sensor and wireless technology. As a result, every citizen in a country where this social infrastructure-based Internet of Things appliances are being installed has a key obligation to ensure the safety of their life and property. Security is defined as a set of countermeasures that resist or protect against a malicious attacker and can be applied to any susceptible host or valuable asset in a network, such as smart appliance, user data, and so on. Home automation system, which incorporate numerous domestic appliances for the user's delight and comfortability, are one of the fastest emerging technologies on the universal network. Smart devices require proper security for controlling, monitoring, and managing user data, as well as safeguarding each device individually. Home automation is defined as a home with many intelligent domestic appliances for the user's comfort and the ability to do many system operations and control them remotely. Home computerization has the most apparent impact on home security. Okay, I will pass to Irham. The next slide.
Thank you, Putri. The objective of this project is student control the position of a servo motor to open or close a door, which control and process due to the response of the microcontroller. Second is to evaluate the security system of safety box by using passcode. General of using passcode key are more easier than physical key. Next, to evaluate the effective of passcode by using keypad program. Next is to reach the output on the LCD when the switch are pressed, when the program is starting to run. Lastly is to make sure the door security control system is user-friendly and flexible to operate. That's all.
Thank you, Irham. So this is functional for me, Muhammad Hakimi. So those are the when I debug the programming, the first word or the first thing that I will come is the LCD. The LCD will appear the enter password. So to enter the password, I will use a keypad as the input that will come output on the LCD. So the code will assembly as star and the password will assembly on the second line. Or it appear on the second line. So if I switch on the RB4 and it count as the password. So if the reading for the reader the password, if it correct, it will came out the password correct. If the wrong, it will came out password wrong. So it's time for the coding. I will use the code. I will show the coding. So this is coding. I use for the LCD as exact same for the lab, but this is where I've defined it. Define switch, define row, define LCD for register select, enable and backlight. This is defined for columns and row. This is function for sending command to LCD. This is function for clear the LCD, setting current position, initialize LCD, sending data to LCD, sending string to LCD, shift left, shift right, turn on backlight, turn off backlight. And this is for void keypad, where if the row 1 is, if the row 1 low, the number will be appear, so the LCD will come start as 1. If the column, if the row or row 1 is low and column 1 is row, and it will came out on LCD as a star, SS1, SMDS1. So same for the others. And this is when main void, port D as an output, pin E as a backlight control, EI as a RS control, then E2 as the EN control. So this is where the words will appear on LCD recording, and this is for password. So the result will came out like this. This is the result for if we came out enter the password. If this is as an example, and I will push the RB4 button, and it will come password correct. If not, it will came out as password wrong. If not, the password right, it will came out the password wrong. Okay, that's all. That's all for the functional, and I will go through to the error. The error is difficult to debug to Linux PIC SimLab. Difficult to find the error because of the multiple lines. Hard to find more information because many of the internet users do not using PIC. And the tough to complete the coding because the error that cannot be defined when using MPLAB X. So that's all for me. I will pass to the Izzah for the recommendations for the future. That's all. Thank you.
For my part, is recommendation for future. Um, we make the program more easier to read by the programming. We create a program that can be more understanding by other reference to by other person to make a reference. Also, we will create an advanced program for safety box for future programming and make an easy application for safety box. That's all from us. Thank you.